Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As most of you are not subscribed, don't forget to leave a comment and click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okay, today we have a real simple, easy dish. It is a strawberry chicken salad, and right now we're making the strawberry vinaigrette dressing. Very easy to make. It's a half a cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of strawberry jam, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and some salt and pepper, taste for seasoning, and then just pour it into a condiment bottle. And, let it hang out in the fridge. Let's move on to our chicken. This is a real easy recipe if you are, in fact, in a rush. Start to finish, 10-12 minutes. Okay, we got our oil ready for our chicken. I'm using chicken breast to be specific. And the only thing I did with these chicken breasts is kind of pound them a little flat so they're kind of even from the beginning to the end. And then just salt and pepper and fry them up in a little olive oil. Like I said, they take about 8-10 minutes. If you're using an electric or induction, you'll have to probably add a few minutes more. Hence is why I like gas. All right, let's assemble the salad. And then we have our salad mix. Add a bit there. And then we're going to add some of the chicken that we kind of cubed up, I'd say. And then some shredded Swiss cheese. And then we want to add some wonton strips. These are available in pretty much any grocery store. They'll be with the croutons. And then just pour some of that vinaigrette on. And that's really it. A strawberry chicken salad. Done.